Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Misa. I thought it'd be really fun to go over all my Ulta orders for 2019, basically add up how much money I spent and what exactly I got and if it was worth it. So if you're interested in seeing how much money I spent on makeup from Ulta this year, go ahead and keep on watching. As far as my makeup goes today, everything can be found in my Milk Makeup Primer review. All right, so my very first order for 2019 was on February 24th, and ooh, it looks like I qualified for diamond status 2019 in Ulta. To do that, I believe you have to spend $1,300 a year in makeup, and I did qualify for it that year. So it looks like I got the Revlon One Step Volumizer Hair Dryer for $59.99, as well as the Tarte Face Tape Foundation for $39. The Revlon One Step Volumizer, I really hate doing this, but I used it once. It was really heavy. For someone that doesn't dry their hair, I honestly don't dry my hair very rarely. I let it air dry, and so it leaves that grit, so the next day I can style it. I ended up actually returning that Face Tape Foundation. I haven't actually used it enough to do a full-on review about it. I've only used it a couple times, so I still have that. And I scroll down to my total here. It looks like I had a gift card, was $98.99 before the gift card. I had a gift card of $60, and so my total was $46.51. The thing with Ulta is whatever you bought in store, it doesn't show up on your orders on the app. Very rarely. I pretty much never buy anything in the store at Ulta, and if I did, it was very minimally. All right, so my next order was on March 21st of 2019, and it was the Becca Backlight Filter. I believe that this was during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. It was usually $39. I only paid $19. I had a gift card, so the total was $0. I actually really like that primer. It's not as hydrating as you would think it was. I really can't say if I'd purchase it again, probably not. I like a different primer a lot better. On March 12th of 2019, I did an order for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray, which was $26, and the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation for $32. I actually just bought those outright because I think I was really excited for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray, which is absolutely one of my favorite setting sprays of all time, and that total was $62.41. All right, so on March 22nd of 2019, with the 21 Days of Beauty by Ulta, it looks like they were doing a sale on the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I got the shade medium brown, and I got two of these, and I got two of them for $21, which is a steal. Total was $22.60. On March 25th of 2019, it looks like the MAC Fix Plus was also on sale for half. It's like I got two for $27, which is a killer steal. They very rarely go on sale. It looks like it was the Creamy Coconut scent, and I got two of those. My total was $27, $29.05 with tax, and I had a gift card. Got a few gift cards for my mom for Christmas and my birthday. April 18th of 2019, so it looks like I took a break for a month from buying from Ulta. I got the Dry Bar, the Kicker Finishing Spray Wax. I love this spray. It's something I always have on hand, and so it looks like I needed to restock that, as well as the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid. I love Beauty Blender Cleanser. Like, it's absolutely amazing. It's kind of pricey, but I have yet to find something that's able to strip my beauty blenders and my makeup brushes and just make cleaning them such a pleasant experience. I got a Batiste Travel Size Dry Shampoo and a Batiste Tropical Dry Shampoo. Two Loving Tan, a 2-hour express self-tanning mousse. I go down to my order summary though. It looks like I had a coupon. Ulta does 20% off several times a year. It's one of the reasons why I love them, and it's pretty much one of the only times I will buy makeup, so I got 20% off. So that minus $36.28, I was able to apply my reward points, which was $125. With Ulta, when you end up racking up 2,000 points, it's worth $125 in products. Why I love the reward system. And I had a gift card of $21.63, which brought my total down to $0. I absolutely love making this purchase because we were going to Hawaii the next month, and so I got my tanning and everything I needed for essentially free. Wow, I took a break for almost 2 months from buying from Ulta, and so my next order was on June 23rd of 2019, and I got the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, which I've said in other videos before, I absolutely love it. I spray it at my roots, and it just brings that grit and that volume, and it's one of those things I buy over and over again. This is also when I got my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundation. I also have Pure 4-in-1 Love Yourself Longwear Foundation and Concealer that was on sale, usually $36 for $28 or for $25.20. I still have yet to try that and to use it. I've been saving it for foundation review. I should probably get on that though, huh? The Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Flawless Coverage Foundation for $12.99, as well as the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Do You Fresh Glow Foundation.
Are you done?
Not yet, buddy.
Okay.
Almost. I have just broken into this. It looks like it was usually $36 and it was on sale for $21, and I'll be doing a review on it soon. Also got the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Face Primer, which was usually $34, and I got it for $20.40, and it's actually one of my favorite primers of all time. It's incredibly hydrating, so if you have dry skin, you would love it. It has such a fresh cucumber scent. Packaging is beautiful. It does provide that luminosity. I will definitely purchase it again. Their purchase for that was the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil for $38, which I'm a big fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely had to get this body oil. My total, $162.18, but they were doing 20% off. Like I said, I love to stack these things, which minus $32.44, free shipping, so my total was $139.60 that day. I'm kind of hurt a little bit. So on July 26th, I had an order, just 2 items. Tarte Babassu Concealer Skincare Foundation was on sale. It was usually $39 and it was half price, so I got it for $19. And then I got the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer, which is absolutely one of my favorite drugstore concealers of all time. It looks like they were also doing $5 off. Total was $27.99 for $24.74. On August 5th, I placed an order a few foundations. I got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation for $12, the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation for $38, the Milani Prep Set and Glow Powder, which is one of my favorite powders, for $9.99, and then the Urban Decay Cosmetics Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation for $39, and then for being a Diamond member, they threw in a free Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's like I actually had a gift card for $94.92, and so my total with that was only $11.59. To break down really quick, I returned the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. It was heavy, didn't last long, I didn't like it. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation, I liked it at the start. The more and more I wore it, I realized how heavy it looked, and it caked a lot. I still have it. I'm not gonna buy it again. Urban Decay Cosmetics Foundation is one of my favorite foundations. Back with Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, I always stock up on my favorites because they're such good steals. So on September 6th, I ordered a Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash, which was usually $28, and I got it for $14. A couple days later, a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer, which is a setting spray. So amazing. I absolutely love it. It was half off. I ordered 2 of those, 2 for $32, so my total there was $34.43. September 18th, I ordered 2 First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser Limited Editions, which I love this face cleanser. If you have sensitive skin, it has 0 fragrance. It's just a gentle cleanser, and I got 2 of those for $21, so my total that day was $22.60. September 21st, I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for only $13.50, which is such a steal because it's normally $27. 2 Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow pencils. It's an amazing brow pencil, ultra fine tip. My total that day was $40.35. Guys, we are almost done, I promise. So on November 2nd, Milani Prep Set and Go Transparent Face Powder. I go through these pretty fast, so I like to stock up when I can. And then I got the Kiehl's Superfluid Daily UV Defense SPF 50+. It was $38, and my face is really sensitive. Only a couple of them work for me, and this is one of them. So I definitely got one of those. I got the Joico Color Balance Purple Shampoo for $16.99. The Living Proof Go Beyond Volume Set, which I talked about this earlier, but it came with a travel size and a normal size for the same price, so I got that for $29. The Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer is my absolute favorite heat protectant. It coats it so beautifully, and it lasts a really long time. And then I got the Urban Decay Cosmetics Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. These are awesome if you're trying to get a nice glittery look, and I just wanted this color so bad, and I've been eyeing it forever, and so I got that. And then the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist for only $16. This isn't my holy grail setting mist. I do like it enough that I like to have one in my collection at all times. It's just a good price, but it's not a holy grail. That day it looked like they were doing a 20% discount. Brought my total down to $134.33. All right, so on November 30th of 2019, I placed an order for the Kylie Cosmetics Blush. This was during their Black Friday deal. It was only $10. They were doing a buy one, get one free for the Batiste Hint of Color Dry Shampoo Divine Dark, and so I got 2 of those for $9.99. I've always wanted to try the IT brushes for Ulta by IT Cosmetics, so I got 2 brushes. My total that day was $46.26. My very last order of 2019 was placed a few days ago. I got the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Finish Spray, which I've been really dying to try out and to find a nice drugstore setting spray. I got another Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour Brow Setter Shaping and Setting Gel. and that was $24. Having tan, I got another tanner because I've been trying to tan every week. I got the Kiehl's Cucumber Herbal Alcohol-Free Toner. This is my favorite toner of all time. If you're not using a toner, I'd highly recommend it. You'd be really surprised at the end of the day, even after washing and cleansing your face, how much makeup can still be left on. And this makes my face feel so soft. I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil for $42. I've been wanting to try this out for a while now. Like I said, they were doing 20% off, and then I had $55 gift card. But I don't really count that because I had bought that $55 gift card for myself as like a promo that they were doing. And so the total that day was $74.07. Once you add the gift card back in there, it was over $100 worth of product. So according to the Ulta app, it says I spent $960 this year in makeup, and then if I wanted to hit diamond again for this year, I had to spend $240 more. That's obviously not going to happen. I'm not going to place any more orders. Honestly, the diamond status for Ulta really isn't that great. I don't feel like the benefits outweigh the cons. Like maybe they do a couple diamond specials, but platinum members are usually involved with that. So I'm totally cool being platinum next year. If you thought this video was interesting, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I do have a lot of hacks with makeup at Ulta. I usually never spend full price on anything, and the reward system is so great. I always shop on when they do 5 times points days. Sometimes they even have 10 times point days, so I'm able to rack up a lot of free makeup. My account right now, I think I have $253 worth of free makeup that I'm excited to spend on. I don't know, it'll be next year sometime though. Now this doesn't include any of the money I may have spent at Sephora or Morphe or ColourPop or any other random collaborations that I may have bought separately. Do I have a makeup problem? You could say that. I feel like, relatively speaking, I didn't go that overboard this year. I barely bought any palettes, things like that, and I always buy things at a discount. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?